Hey everyone, Rick Nielsen here, thewebtrainer.com, and in this video lesson I want to talk a little bit about the differences between a free WordPress theme and a premium WordPress theme. Now, if you don't know a whole lot about what a theme is inside of WordPress, it's essentially this. It's a set of code that has the design for your website. There's not a whole lot more to it than that. What WordPress has done, the company that made the WordPress code, is they separated out kind of the functionality of the website from the theme or the look and the feel of the site. So they're kind of two separate things. And inside the administrative control panel of WordPress, they have a tool back there that you can go browse through the WordPress library of themes, pick one that you like, which are all free in that particular area. You pick one out, you upload it into the site, the whole site converts to that new look and feel. It doesn't disrupt any of your data, and you can look at it and say, I like that theme, I don't really like that theme, let me try a different one. And that makes getting a website up and running extremely quick. Now, the advantages of a free theme, and there's thousands of free themes all over the internet, so you can find them pretty much anywhere. You just do a Google search for free WordPress themes and you're going to find all kinds of them. However, one thing about free themes that you have to understand is there is a reason why they're free, and the majority of them, now I'm not taking anything away from theme developers and people who have done it, because they've really tried hard to put together a really good looking theme for people, but let's just be frank, there's a lot of them online that are just crap. They just are bad designs. They're just kind of hurry up and throw out there. Some people will create a design to put out there for people to use so they can use it as a marketing tool. And there's not a lot of functionality built within the theme itself. So you end up with these substandard looking themes, or they look like a template or a theme, and they're just very poorly done. But you are getting it for free. So it just depends on what you're looking for. I mean, you can take and customize any theme you want to make it look however you want to do it. So you can get a base theme and then hire a designer to be able to modify that theme to fit your brand. You can definitely do that, and that's sometimes that's how we do it. If there's a theme that we find out there that has a basic layout of what the customer's looking for, we'll start with that theme and modify it to fit their brand, functionality, different things like that. Now, the other type of theme that's available is a premium theme. And if you type in premium themes into Google, you'll find many different premium themes. And what a premium theme boils down to is they're usually done by either a design firm or design professionals that have lots of experience in web design, user interface, user experience design, and they're usually done, with maybe 1, 2, or 3 or 4 people getting together, putting their design skills together, and creating one very, very nice theme. Most premium themes, the majority of them, have really good functionality built into them. Functionality meaning that if you want to upload your logo, it's built within the administrative part of WordPress. It comes with the theme, so you don't even have to know any code to be able to get your logo into it. They may have different functionalities over to the side. On the side widgets, they may have widgets that will do lots of different things for you. You don't have to write any code or hire anybody to do anything. And I've used a lot of WordPress themes that will, just by clicking a mouse or typing in some colors, it can change the entire color of the theme. And there are a few out there that by just clicking a few different options back there, you can actually change the way that the layout is put together with inside the theme. And most themes, I've seen some that get up there around $250, but most themes are between, $35 and $100. There are some that get over $100, between the $100 and $200 range, or even the $300 range. But if you're looking to get a theme or looking to get a look and feel without paying a designer a lot of money, and all you really need is your logo and your colors put in, go with a premium theme. It's going to save you so much time and effort. It's unbelievable. And another advantage to using a premium theme is because they're usually done by small companies that keep the code up to date. Because as WordPress updates their code and you don't use a theme that is updated to match what the code is going along, a lot of times if you upgrade the code within WordPress and the theme doesn't have any type of upgrade capabilities, or there's nobody supporting it, you upgrade the code, sometimes the theme breaks. So going with a premium theme, to me, is your best bet, just because for $200, let's say it's the worst case scenario, it's $250. That's a couple hours worth of design time with either a freelancer or a company, and that doesn't get you anything. So you get a fully professionally designed WordPress theme for under $250. And most of them, like I said, are between $35 and $100. You just can't go wrong with that. And then you can give that to a designer, and if they want to be able to modify that some, they can modify a premium theme as well. We've done that many times. And you do actually have a third option, and you can take and go to a designer or design firm and say, hey, this is the look and feel. I don't want to use a theme. I just want our own look and feel, or I want to take our current look and feel and put that into a theme. They can do that just as easily. Now, you're going to pay more for that because they're basically starting from scratch. But you can definitely do that and get your same look and feel over to a WordPress site without any problems whatsoever. I hope that kind of explains the difference between. Now, in the post below, I've got some links to some free theme sites that have some better quality free themes. They're not all fantastic, but they're a little better than most. And then below I have links to probably 5 or 6 different premium WordPress themes, companies that sell WordPress themes that we've used on a lot of our designs that we're very comfortable with referring over. We've used them. The way they've done it is very exceptional, and their customer service on those particular themes are very well, and they keep their stuff up to date. They're constantly improving on it, and that's why. So go ahead, and I think I got some links down in there of some themes that we've used in the past you can check out and see. But depending on what your business is and depending on what you're trying to do, and another thing, you have to look at this too. If the theme doesn't exactly look like the way, it may be, I know there's a couple links that take you to some what are known as magazine type WordPress themes. Don't necessarily look at what the title is. For example, there is one below, I think it's called the church theme. Well, we've used that on lots of different websites. It just happens to have a base theme, and that's what the images are, but you can convert that to anything that you want. We've done an animal hospital using the church theme, and it looks fantastic. So look at the structure of the site and make sure that it's something that will fit what you're doing too. And one more thing I want to make sure I reiterate about premium themes. Make sure you look over the premium themes that you're looking for, or the free themes. It doesn't really matter which one it is, but make sure you look them over, because premium themes in general tend to be very content heavy on the home page, meaning they'll have these really cool slider bars that'll slide images in and out. They'll have text below. They'll have pods to either the right or left panel that have snippets of articles or blog posts and then with a link on it that'll say click here to read more, take you right over to that page. And they'll have many different pods and lots of different options, and that may not necessarily be a good fit for you and your website, because a lot of websites just don't have enough content to fill those types of themes to make them look good. You use a good premium theme that has a lot of pods and a lot of different boxes on the front, but if you don't have a lot of content, then the website looks really choppy. It looks it just looks bad. So look at the premium themes that are maybe set up for a little bit more towards not so much content heavy on the front end, or maybe a free theme is what you need. If you just really lightweighted content website, you might want to look at a free one. They tend to be designed a little bit more that way. So hope that helps. Check out the links below. Look through some of the themes. If you see anything you like, go ahead and look at them. And in another video, we'll show you how to install a premium or a free theme and get it up and running for you. Hope that helps, and we'll see you at the next video.